Hi, this is Sara from Instrowest, and in this video I'd like to show you how SDM ECO operates. SDM ECO is a slurry density meter manufactured by Rhosonics. First, we will have a look at the system parts and then we go to the readings. SDM ECO is a modular system. It has three main parts: sensor, transmitter, and HMI or controller. Each of these parts can be replaced individually if required. System is flush mounted in the process. Between the transmitter and HMI or controller there is one cable, PoE cable. So with one cable you transmit both data and power. Now let's have a look at the screen. You have two readings. On top is density in kilogram per cubic meter or SG in 1000. And on bottom you have temperature in degrees centigrade. SDM ECO constantly measures temperature. It compensates for temperature to provide more accurate results. Now let's look at the readings. On top you have around 1000 for water, and the reason for that is I have calibrated this system on that water. In reality, if you want to have 1000, it needs to be distilled water. When you do the water calibration with SDM ECO, it gives it 1000 kilogram per cubic meter automatically. Water calibration procedure is very easy and quick. I'd like to show you how it is done. Let's go to the menu, then calibration, we insert the code, and then SG, water calibration. It is all it takes to do the calibration. Depending on our settings on decay time, it will take around 30 seconds to 50-60 seconds. Water calibration success. So if I go back to our measurement, it's 999.70 or 1000. Now I'd like to run a test for you. In this S4 piece, transparent S4 piece, which is our demo set, we have put a pump and there is slurry. We want to create dynamic slurry and show you how the values will change and go up. So now I turn on the pump. Now let's go back to the readings and see what value is showing us now. So it is 1320 or 1318 point something, which is what we expected because we have calibrated this device on that slurry when the pump is fully functioning at 1300. I hope this video has been helpful. If you'd like to receive more information about SDM ECO or if you have any questions, please contact us. We are Rhosonics authorized distributor in Australia. You can contact us at our website www.instrowest.com.au or you can email us at sales@instrowest.com.au.